Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the anaconda shape in the Rubik's Cube. I've seen some videos over the net which show you how to use one algorithm for creating it and then running the same algorithm twice again in order to come back to a complete cube. It's not necessary at all. I'll show you how to use just one algorithm for creating and the same one for completing the cube. So let's start. This is the algorithm. Left clockwise, upper clockwise, back counterclockwise, upper counterclockwise, right layer clockwise, left counterclockwise, back clockwise, right counterclockwise, front layer clockwise, back layer counterclockwise, down layer clockwise, right layer clockwise, down layer counterclockwise, and front layer counterclockwise. And we got the anaconda, the snake, as you can see. To solve the cube, you need to look for 5 pieces, like the blue pieces here, like the reversed L letter, and its corresponding 3 pieces, 3 blue pieces that complete it into a full color and run the same algorithm. Note that the 3 corresponding blue pieces that I mentioned should be at the top when you start and not to your right or to your left. So you have the 5 pieces which are reversed L letter, and their corresponding 3 pieces that complete them should be at the top, and then you can start the algorithm. And that's it. You got a complete cube. So just one algorithm for both creating the anaconda and for solving the cube. So here you can see again the anaconda. If you like this video, you can click on like and also subscribe to our channel to get more updates. Bye bye.